The subject of this video is setting up the Teams lobby function in meetings to prevent early access to a meeting while the presenters are preparing. So let's open up Teams. Let's go to the calendar and we'll create an event. So let's enter a title and then we'll add a required attendee. And now we'll go to settings, more settings, and I changed this to only presenters. And who can present, I change it to only presenters. And I also enable Q&A just in case. And click Save. And then I'll add it to a channel. So if you're using the recording feature, it'll be saved to the Files Recording folder for the channel. And then let's click Save. All right, so now let's start the meeting. Click Join. I have two monitors, so I gotta drag it over. Okay, so let's click Join. And let's look at people. Go up to the left there. And we can see the attendee is, there's no response. So let's just ping Carrie quickly. And now she's going to join. So click Join Now. And then see how it says waiting in the meeting lobby. So now the organizer can select the attendee, click OK, and now this is the experience that they will see on their end. So for each attendee, you have to admit them when you're ready. And then when the meeting's over, just click on End the Call, and it's that simple. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks.